back to tea time. Well, I am at my favorite store, or what has become my favorite store, which is Ross. I go just about every day now, but I have been finding some really, really good stuff. So stay tuned to see what all I find in this haul.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.
All right, y'all, I am home from my home decor haul shopping that I've done today. This is everything that I picked up. You can see that picture, some knobs. There's a picture down there. And I also picked up 3 rugs. Ross has really been like the spot for rugs. I haven't had to order anything offline like I originally planned, so everything has worked out pretty good as far as rugs go. And if you saw my previous video, I had one similar to this that I had to take back because it was too small to go anywhere. So this one is a lot bigger, and I am going to put this one, it's a 6 by 9 2. This one is going to go in my dining room. And then this lighter colored one, this one is going to go in the master bedroom. And this one is a, what size is this one? This one is also a 6 by 9 2. So that should go good in the master. Then the one that I am standing on, this one is going to go in the kitchen. It complements my blue chairs pretty good that I have at my eating area. And then moving on to the pictures that I found. This was the first one that I picked up. And this one is going to go in my guest bedroom, one of the guest bedrooms, over the bed. And this one was $34.99. Oh, and before I move on, I forgot to tell you the prices of the rugs. This one was $79.99. And this one was $69.99. And then this one was $19.99. All right, and once again, this picture was $34.99. And then we are going to move on to the knobs. We have updated a old set of furniture that was brown. We painted it white, so we're going to add some knobs to it. These are the knobs that I picked out. And it's kind of like a diamond shape. So I have 2 sets, and these are different brands, but they look identical. And then also some bigger ones that are going to go on the drawers on the dresser. So I will be revealing that room when it's completely done. And this one is probably like my favorite find right here, which is a canvas art picture. This is going to go in the master bedroom over the bed. Not sure what size this is, but it was $54.99. And the strange thing is about this picture, if you saw it in my video, my previous video, I I saw it in the store, didn't think about it, went back in the store, and then saw it up at the front of the store. And someone was actually purchasing it, and I actually really liked it then. Because I don't know, for some reason when I was recording, I just kind of overlooked it. But I went back in the store to look for something else and then saw this picture. But someone else was already buying it. Went to another Ross store today, and I found this picture. So I am excited that I finally found something to go in my bedroom. Okay, just a few days after you saw the things that I purchased in the previous clip, I found these items at Ross again. Ross has been like a gem, y'all. I mean, I have been finding so many things at Ross, and I'm just excited because I don't have to wait to order and get things shipped to me. So it has been a true blessing. So let me show you the things that I found. So if I got this mirror right here, these are, well, it's a 2-piece mirror set. I think I may put this in my bathroom, and these were $19.99. Very cute. And then I found these lamps right here. Here's the top piece. Here's the shade. The shade has like a shimmery look to it. And then here is the base of it, as you can see there. And the price for these was $34.99. And I got 2 of those. If you saw my previous video, you saw that I was going to put these in the master bedroom, but I am actually going to take these back because I found these. All right, next up is these candle holders. These are really, really pretty. I just could not leave them. I think I may put them right here on my hutch or buffet. I'm not sure yet, but I will find a place for them. These were $17.99. And then last but not least, I have these mirrors right here. And they are 22 by 28 in size, and they are frameless. And you can see they were $24.99. And I got 2 of those. I'm thinking one is gonna go in the family room above my console table, and I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this second one at, but for the price I could not leave it. So yeah, those are the items that I picked up from Ross once again. So that is it for my home decor haul for today. It's just a recap of everything that I found. If you need rugs, definitely check your local Ross, because I've been finding rugs like crazy. I mean, really like crazy. But anyway, if you have any questions about anything that I have posted in this video, please put them down in the comment section. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me over on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Christmas in my heart.